I've learned a lot from cooking shows, but if I've learned anything from my favorite sitcom, it's that those who can't farm celery, and those who can, farm beets. Crunchy seed brittle. Happy destination for my seed collection. Every seed has the incredible power to become an entire plant. I guess that's why they call them superfoods.
Fun food trivia: beets are supposedly an aphrodisiac, a great hair dye, and a hangover cure.
Maple is a natural choice to sweeten the dressing. Five ingredients. Simple is always better.
I like my salad dressings shaken, not stirred. Yeah, that's the best Sean Connery I've got.
Magic. A quick toast is all it takes. Now, before I eat the rainbow, I need to keep them separate because the colors will run together. How to tell if it's done? It should be a little brittle.